my people, welcome back to 100 Days of Data with Miss Mailiana. It's day 32. Let's ride back. Alright, so we're still looking at our new tool called Power BI, and today I'm just going to explain something short about why Power BI is still needed, right? Why Power BI is still needed. And when you look at it, we are going to go into Power BI. We're going to go onto the laptop, God willing, tomorrow, right? Or tomorrow's video. So when we say Power BI, I spoke about dashboards and reports. That was yesterday. All right. Power BI is a business intelligence tool, as from what we learned yesterday, and we have Power BI desktop. We have Power BI service. We have Power BI mobile. There's one last one which I'm forgetting. Right. So now desktop may be for in-house analysts, or so let me say in-house. When I mean in-house, you go to the office or you analyze all the data for the in-house analyst. Service is for collaboration, whereby the in-house data analyst finishes, you publish your like the report you did or the dashboard you did, and other analysts in the organization would have a look at, like, you can collaborate with more people on it. Now, still with the publish link, you can share the link to your stakeholders or managers, and actually what they would watch it, right? View on the go. So it makes it easier for an analyst to make a report, and your manager will see it wherever they are. Okay, that's one importance. All right, another importance: multiple sources of data. Multiple sources of data. You can take data from Excel. You can take data from your SQL, so you can link that. You can take data from web and other places. There are lots, right? So multiple sources of data, like, it's not one way, right? Sometimes you have a challenge when you are actually you have a data set and you want to open it in Excel. There's a little bit of challenge, but for Power BI, it takes multiple data sources, so you can have your own software and you can link your Power BI to it. So that's why businesses go for Power BI as well. So I've given you two reasons. In fact, there are a lot of reasons. It's a business intelligence tool. It focuses on business and all that. They are upgrading it now. We have the AI co-pilot in there as well and all that. So it's very, very understandable. It's very, very easy to go by as a business, right? Everybody is doing their work. They're seeing it beautifully. The decision makers are seeing it on their phones, tablets, to do whatever they need to do. You as a data analyst, you're sitting in your office also doing the reports, sending it to them. You don't have to move about and all that. One other thing I also love is that easy on chart creation. Easy on chart arrangement. It's so easy to actually create charts in Power BI and create charts and arrange them in Power BI compared to Excel. So easy. So these are the reasons why I even decided, because the time I decided to learn Power BI, I was in between either learning Power BI or Tableau, but I stick to Power BI because it was easy to go about. And when I learn Power BI, I can now go to any other data visualization tool and learn, right? So the easiness helps you be able to master it and then you go forward to it. So I can add a third reason as well, that it is easy to master. What you see is what you get. So simple. So these are the reasons. So today's video is all about telling you the reasons why, in fact, tautology, the reasons Power BI is good for that. Right. So whilst we wrap up this, I'm going to talk about a little bit about visualization and storytelling. All right. All right. So visualization is transforming insights into charts or readable charts. Readable charts. Okay. Storytelling is communicating. I didn't want to say telling again. Communicating insights through charts using relevant elements like colors or numbers or sizes, right, or pictures. All right. So for visualization, all you're doing is you have the insight. So say you have your pivot tables and you're moving your pivot tables into charts, and it's the charts that can be read easily. But for data storytelling, this is where it's like your charts are talking without you opening your mouth, right? You get to use colors to say, okay, we have red, right? Red here. We have blue. So, blue is small. All blues are for the small. All red are for the big. Something like that. So you can see that happening easily, right? You don't need to talk. Okay, that is like storytelling. You can also use size, right? Whereby you are telling them to focus on one particular thing. So maybe it's very big and the other one is very small. Like you are drawing attention to, okay, this is big. Why is it big? So they get to see, because this is like, they get to see that happening, right? So visualization is transforming insights into charts or readable charts. Data storytelling is communicating. See the words here: transforming, and communicating, right? So at the long run, your dashboard and reports are supposed to actually tell a story. And what is that story? It may say that, okay, all girls, we have more girls, right? So girls may be 50 and we have boys to be 10. We all, like in this data, girls are high, right? That the story is girls are high. It sounds weird saying girls are high, but anyways, right? So you are communicating something, communicating insights, and you are using relevant tools, colors, numbers, sizes, or pictures, right? So that is the difference between data visualization and data storytelling. I hope you learned something, right? Thank you so much for learning with us today. All right, I'm going to see you on day 33. Thank you so much for learning with us. Please, once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Share this channel to a friend who is about to start their own tech career. They're going to love it here. And if you know anybody who wants to upgrade their skills in wherever they find themselves, let them join this channel, because you're going to learn from scratch. And note that data analytics is not just for data analysts, it's for everyone who is in a career, right? I have managers, accountants, pharmacists coming to learn data analytics from me, coming to learn data analytics from the team. So just so that you know, data analysis it cuts across every industry. So as you are here, you are not wasting your time. And also, I want to challenge you that put yourself out there. As you are learning from me, create a post. If you are going to dedicate yourself to create 2 posts every week on LinkedIn and tag me, I'm going to really support you the best way I can, push you forward, and you're going to learn. And when it's time for me to even share out jobs, or when it's time for for you to get jobs, it's going to be easy because you have a track record of you learning, right? So do not feel shy learning in public. All right, let's learn together. Let's build this together as well. Once again, follow the link in our description to join our WhatsApp group, right? So you fill a form, and then after you fill the form, you get to join our WhatsApp group so that you can ask any questions on the platform, get to have assistance as well, and also get access to when we are having our monthly classes starting in April as well. So don't wait till you start, just start with us. Thank you for learning with us, and I'm going to see you on day 33. Bye for now.